What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to be working on trying to get my shop cleaned up a little bit, get some things organized. First thing that I'm going to do is get all this cleaned out, get this workbench moved, and I've actually got a shelf that I'm going to be putting together. I'm going to be putting back in this place. This shelf or this workbench I'm going to be moving over somewhere else for now, but I've been aiming to get out here for a while and try to get this mess organized and get a little bit better working space, and today is a great opportunity to do just that. So first thing is to get all this out of here. This is one of my hand planes. If you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I've got a few of these and you can pick them up cheap in a lot of places. There's people that have just thrown these things away, and it's a shame. This is an old Stanley hand plane. I actually did a video back several years ago where I restored another one that I have, and just kind of do a little bit of cleanup to where I can probably get back into doing a little bit of work with these. I kind of like the old-fashioned wood tools. It's just kind of my thing, one of my things, as you guys know if you follow my channels. How many of you guys know the difference between a new tractor weight and a used tractor weight? That difference is paint. Alright guys, here is the shelf we're going to be putting together to put over here. I've got the floor pretty much cleaned up. I mean, I just sprayed down with some all-purpose cleaner, hosed it down, swept it out. Just try to get some of the mess up out of the floor. And now it's time to put this together, get it over here, start getting some other stuff picked up in other areas of the shop, and trying to get this place a little bit better organized. Here's the finished product, guys. These things go together very easily. You can see they just latch inside these supports, the rails, and it's not going to come out. You've got constant down pressure on them, and it's a pretty stable shelf, and they're not very expensive. I'll put a link to a couple down in the description below. But guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.